Real-time sounds impressive until it falls apart in the real world. It's not the AI that fails, it's the lag that breaks trust. When it works, real-time AI opens more doors. Agents feel supported. Customers are heard. It should be fast, fluid, and invisible. When AI lags, agents feel it. Customers hear it.
And trust?
That's the first thing to go. Because even the smartest AI fails when the tools don't talk to each other fast enough. It's easy to blame the AI when things fall apart, but the real culprit? It's the handoffs. Voice passes to transcription. Transcription hits the CRM. The UI struggles to keep up. And suddenly, your real-time AI isn't real-time anymore. Real-time doesn't start with the speech engine. It starts earlier. Audio buffers. Data gets formatted, redacted, routed. Each step adds milliseconds, and those delays add up fast. We proved transcription could run live, not simulated, with a major financial services firm. Call context, live redaction, and screen pops, all integrated with Salesforce Service Cloud Voice and Azure. Let's test your environment together. No guesswork. No blind rollout. Just a real answer to, are you ready for real time?